If you want to know how to get public profile on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So sometimes it could be really helpful. You need to follow these steps. Open Snapchat. And from this page here, click on our avatar in the left top corner to open our profile page. Then we need to click on settings in the right top corner to open our settings. Now we need to scroll down to find privacy controls, and from this page here we need to manage a couple of options. Firstly, we need to click on see my location, and here make sure that your ghost mode is turned off. So basically sometimes it's turned on like this, we need to turn it off, and then just choose my friends right up here. After that, go to the previous page, and from this page here go to view my story, and make sure that this parameter is like in everyone mode, so everyone is able to view your story. Then we need to go back and click on contact me, and here also make sure that the function is in everyone mode, so everyone will be able to contact you directly. And now scroll down to find see me in quick add. Here we need to turn this function on, so it means that your friends will be able to add you as a quick add. And after that, basically you'll be able to turn your profile as a public. So now it's already public basically, so everyone will be able to find it, to interact with it. And yeah, this is a way of how can we get public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.